Hello students and welcome to your English language class. I hope you all are doing great. Today we'll be reading yet another fiction from your supplementary reader, Moments. And the title of this fiction is The Adventures of Toto, and it's written by Ruskin Bond. As you know, Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. And this is an interesting story by Ruskin Bond. The narrator gives a beautiful description of a pet monkey named Toto, whom his grandfather had once brought home. The story contains details of some of the mischiefs of the monkey and the family members' reaction to them. It so happens that everyone is fed up with the monkey's mischiefs, and finally the grandfather decides to get rid of him. Now let us start reading the story. Grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. अब जो ये ऑथर है रस्किन बॉन्ड, इसके ग्रैंडफादर जो है टोटो इज़ अ बेबी मंकी, और उसको वो एक टोंगा ड्राइवर से ख़रीद के लाते हैं जस्ट फॉर द सम ऑफ ₹5. द टोंगा ड्राइवर यूज टू कीप द लिटिल रेड मंकी टाइड टू अ फीडिंग ट्रफ. फीडिंग ट्रफ क्या होता है? इट्स अ लॉन्ग नैरो feeding container for animals, and the monkey looked so out of place there that grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. Now the author's grandfather had a private zoo, and he used to get all sorts of animals to keep them there. Now Toto was a pretty monkey. His bright eyes sparkled or shined with mischief beneath deep-set eyebrows, and his teeth, which were a pearly white, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. Now, from the very look on his face, one can tell that he was very mischievous. Okay, he was very naughty. He was not at all docile. Docile means gentle. Okay, so he always used to give that favorite smile of his, in which he used to show his pearly white teeth, and usually the Anglo-Indian ladies used to get frightened. But his hands looked dried up as though they had been pickled in the sun for many years. Now pickled means dried. जब कोई चीज़ धूप में बहुत देर तक रखी रहे तो वो सूख जाती है. So even his skin, even his hands were dried up as they were kept in sun for many years. Yet his fingers were quick and wicked. Wicked means evil looking. And his tail, while adding to his good looks, grandfather believed a tail would add to anyone's good looks. Now, grandfather had this perception that a tail adds to somebody's good looks. Also served as a third hand, and his tail used to serve him as a third hand. He could use it to hang from a branch, and it was capable of scooping up or picking up any delicacy. Delicacy means tasty dish that might be out of reach of his hands. जहाँ तक उसके हाथ नहीं पहुँच पाते थे वहाँ वो अपनी टेल को यूज़ कर लेता था to pick up things and pick up tasty dishes. As you know, monkeys को बहुत पसंद होती हैं खाने पीने की चीज़ें, तो he used to be a little mischievous all the time, and he used to grab things to eat. Now grandmother always first means he used to argue, and she used to make a lot of noise when grandfather brought home some new bird or animal. जब भी ग्रैंडफादर कोई नई बर्ड या नया एनिमल लेकर आते थे, ग्रैंडमदर जो है वो बहुत आर्ग्यू करती थी और बहुत चीखती चिल्लाती थी. So it was decided that Toto's presence should be kept a secret from her until she was in a particularly good mood. अब obviously उन्हें डर था कि दादी जो हैं वो she won't be very pleased to see Toto, so they kept it as a secret, and they were waiting for her to be in a good mood. Then only they'll disclose it. Now grandfather and I put him away in a little closet opening into my bedroom wall. अब उन्होंने क्या किया, जो क्लोजेट मतलब जो कबर्ड होती है उसके अंदर उसको छुपाया. ठीक है, वेयर ही वॉज टाइड सिक्योरली, और सो वी थॉट, और हमने उसको क्या किया, एक रस्सी से बांध दिया, टू अ पेग फास्टन इन टू द वॉल। एक पेग क्या होता है बेटा, एक देखा होगा आपने जिसपे आप यूजुअली कोई चीज़ टांगते हो, ठीक है, तो वैसी एक पेग थी वॉल पे, और उससे एक रस्सी को बांध के टोटो को वहाँ पे बांध दिया गया। A few hours later, when grandfather and I came back to release Toto, we found that the walls, which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by grandfather, now stood out as naked brick and plaster. अब टोटो ने in order to get rid of the rope and all, he tore everything out, the ornamental paper, the wallpaper and everything. He just tore it out. Even the brick and plaster, even the plaster of the wall was taken away or torn away by him. The peg in the wall had been wrenched, or it was taken out from its socket, and my school blazer, which had been hanging there, was in shreds. और उसने वो जो पैग होती है उसको भी वॉल में से खींच के बाहर निकाल दिया, और जो स्कूल ब्लेज़र टंगा हुआ था ऑथर का, उसको भी टुकड़े टुकड़े कर दिया. इट वॉज इन श्रेड्स मीन इट वॉज इन पीसेस. ही जस्ट टोर इट अवे. आई वंडर्ड वॉट ग्रैंड मदर would say, but grandfather didn't worry. He seemed pleased with Toto's performance. अब ग्रैंड मदर क्या बोलती ये तो नहीं पता था, लेकिन ग्रैंड फादर ज़्यादा वरिड नहीं लग रहे थे. इनफैक्ट ही सीम्ड प्लीज्ड, वो खुश थे टोटोज़ की परफॉर्मेंस से, टोटो की परफॉर्मेंस से. Now he is clever, said grandfather. Given time, I'm sure he could have tied the torn pieces of your blazer into a rope and made his escape from the window. और वो ये भी सोच रहे थे कि अगर थोड़ा और टाइम मिलता तो वो जो पीसेस हैं ब्लेज़र के उसको वो टाई करके एक रोप में कन्वर्ट कर लेता और विंडो से उतर के भाग जाता. हिज प्रेजेंस इन द हाउस स्टिल अ सीक्रेट. अभी तक दादी को पता नहीं चला था अबाउट टोटोज़ प्रेजेंस इन द हाउस. Now Toto was now transferred to a big cage in the servants' quarters, where a number of grandfather's pets lived very sociably together. Sociably means peacefully. Now all other animals used to live in the servants' quarters, जहाँ पे और भी जो पेट्स थे जिनको दादाजी लेकर आए थे वो रहते थे पीसफुली एक साथ. A tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel. Tame means pet, जो पालतू होते हैं, ठीक है. So there was a tame squirrel also, and for a while my pet goat. But the monkey wouldn't allow any of his companions to sleep at night. और जितने बाकी सारे एनिमल्स थे उनको मंकी जो है, जो टोटो है, वो सोने नहीं देता था. So grandfather, who had to leave Dehradun next day to collect his pension in Saharanpur, decided to take him along. And grandfather didn't want anyone to feel uncomfortable due to Toto's presence there, so he decided to take him along to Saharanpur when he was going there to collect his pension. Unfortunately, I could not accompany grandfather on that trip, but he told me about it afterwards. ठीक है, अब जो ऑथर है वो अपने दादाजी के साथ नहीं जा पाता उस ट्रिप पे, लेकिन बाद में दादाजी बताते हैं कि क्या क्या हुआ. A big black canvas kit bag was provided for Toto. कैनवस क्या होता है? इट्स अ थिक क्लॉथ. तो जो कपड़े का एक मोटे कपड़े का एक बैग होता है वो टोटो को कैरी करने के लिए दिया गया. नाउ दिस विद सम स्ट्रॉ एट द बॉटम बिकेम हिज न्यू अबोर्ड, एंड दिस वॉज हिज न्यू होम. वाइल grandfather was traveling, he kept Toto in there. When the bag was closed, there was no escape. Toto could not get his hands through the opening, and the canvas was too strong for him to bite his way through. Now उसको सेफली रखने के लिए और पूरा जो जर्नी जो है वो आराम से कंफर्टेबली दादाजी कर पाएँ, इसलिए उन्होंने उसको एक कैरी बैग में रखा, एक बड़े से बिग ब्लैक कैनवस किट बैग में रखा, ताकि वो कोई और ज़्यादा शैतानी ना कर सके. His efforts to get out only had the effect of making the bag roll about on the floor or occasionally jump into the air. and whenever he was trying to get out of that bag, whatever only he could do was he could only jump or he could make the bag roll. That's what he could do. An exhibition that attracted a curious crowd of onlookers on the Dehradun railway platform. अब जब वो बैग अपने आप हवा में उछलता या रोल करता तो ऑब्वियसली लोग क्यूरियसली देखने लग जाते उस बैग की तरफ, और वहाँ पे एक एग्जीबिशन, एक लोग जमा हो गए देखने के लिए. Now Toto remained in the bag as far as Saharanpur, but while grandfather was producing his ticket at the railway turnstile क्या होता है बेटा? It's a revolving gate that allows one person at a time to pass through. Okay, देखा होगा आपने रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे एक आयरन गेट होता है जिसमें जो कि रिवॉल्विंग होता है और सिर्फ only one person can get out from there. Now Toto suddenly poked his head out of the bag and gave the ticket collector a wide grin. और वहाँ पे जो टिकट कलेक्टर था वो खड़ा हुआ था और टोटो ने अपना सिर निकाला बैग में से और उसको एक वाइड ग्रिन, अपनी जो पर्ली वाइट टीथ वाली जो ग्रिन थी, एक स्माइल थी, वो ticket collector को दी. The poor man was taken aback. Obviously, the man was shocked to see such a sight, but with great presence of mind and much to grandfather's annoyance means irritation, he said, "Sir, you have a dog with you. You'll have to pay for it accordingly." अब जो ticket collector है, he thought that there's a dog in the bag, so he said that you'll have to pay for it. You'll have to pay the fare for it. In vain did grandfather take Toto out of the bag. In vain did he try to prove that a monkey did not qualify as a dog. अब दादाजी ने कितना भी समझाने की कोशिश की, लेकिन जो टिकट कलेक्टर था वो नहीं माना. He said, Toto was classified a dog by the ticket collector. अब जो टिकट कलेक्टर था उसने टोटो को क्लासिफाई कर दिया एज अ डॉग, एंड 3 rupees was the sum handed over as his fare. और उसके फेयर के तौर पे 3 rupees चार्ज किए उसने. Then grandfather, just to get his own back, took from his pocket our pet tortoise. और ग्रैंडफादर को गुस्सा तो आ रहा था, तो उन्होंने अपना जो पेट टॉर्टॉइज था उसको अपनी पॉकेट में से निकाला और पूछा, व्हाट मस्ट आई पे फॉर दिस सिंस यू चार्ज फॉर ऑल एनिमल्स. और उन्होंने फिर गुस्से में पूछा टिकट कलेक्टर से कि इस टॉर्टॉइज का आप कितना चार्ज करेंगे एज यू आर चार्जिंग फॉर ऑल द एनिमल्स. द टिकट कलेक्टर लुक क्लोजली एट द टॉर्टॉइज, prodded it. Prodded means searched with hands. और उसको अपने हाथों से सर्च किया with his forefinger. अपनी 4 फिंगर से उसको सर्च किया अच्छे से. gave grandfather a pleased and triumphant look, means victorious look, and said no charge, it's not a dog. और उसने कहा कि नहीं, इसके लिए आपको कोई फेयर नहीं देना because it's not a dog. When Toto was finally accepted by grandmother, he was given a comfortable home in the stable, where he had for a companion the family donkey Nana. और टोटो को जब ग्रैंड मदर ने फाइनली एक्सेप्ट कर लिया इन द फैमिली, सो he was given a comfortable home in the stable, you know, where horses or donkeys are kept. Now, so Toto was also kept there along with the female donkey Nana. Now, on Toto's first night in the stable, grandfather paid him a visit to see if he was comfortable. अब टोटो की फर्स्ट नाइट थी इन द स्टेबल, तो ऑब्वियसली ग्रैंडफादर जो हैं वो रात को उठे चेक करने के लिए वेदर ही इज़ कंफर्टेबल देयर और नॉट. टू हिज सरप्राइज ही फाउंड नैना विदाउट एपरेंट कॉज पुलिंग एट हर halter. Halter is the rope with which an animal is tied, and trying to keep her head as far as possible from a bundle of hay. और वो कोशिश कर रही थी कि अपने सिर को जितना भी उस बंडल ऑफ है जो घास फूस होती है उससे जितना दूर कर सके वो उतना दूर करने की कोशिश कर रही थी, विदाउट एनी विजिबल रीज़न. Now grandfather gave Nana a slap across her haunches. Haunches means back part of the body. So grandfather gave Nana a slap across her haunches and she jerked back. उसने एक ज़ोरदार झटके से एकदम अपने आप को पीछे किया. Dragging Toto with her, and she was pulling Toto along with her. He had fastened on to her long ears with his sharp little teeth. अब टोटो ने उसके अपने जो दांत हैं वो उसके लॉन्ग ईयर्स पे गड़ा रखे थे. टोटो एंड नाना नेवर बिकेम फ्रेंड्स. ऑब्वियसली these two didn't gel that well and they never became friends. A great treat for Toto during cold winter evenings was the large bowl of warm water given him by grandmother for his bath. अब सर्दियों के जब शाम होती थी तो ग्रैंड मदर उसको एक ट्रीट देती थी. उसको एक लार्ज बोल ऑफ वार्म वाटर मिलता था इन विच ही यूज्ड टू टेक हिज बाथ. ही वुड कनिंगली और क्लेवरली टेस्ट द टेम्परेचर विद हिज हैंड. अब जो मंकी है वो बड़े ही क्लेवर वे में क्या करता था, पहले उस पानी का टेम्परेचर चेक करता था जस्ट टू सी हाउ कोल्ड और हाउ हॉट इट इज़. देन ग्रेजुअली स्लोली स्टेप इन टू द बाथ, फर्स्ट 1 foot then the other as he had seen me doing. And you know monkeys जो हैं वो enact करने में या copy करने में बहुत expert होते हैं. तो he must have seen the author doing so he used to copy him until he was into the water up to his neck. Once comfortable he would take the soap in his hands or feet and rub himself all over. और जैसे author को वो देखता था taking bath, so he used to copy him. When the water became cold, he would get out and run as quickly as he could to the kitchen fire in order to dry himself. और उसे इतनी ठंड लगती थी कि जैसे ही वो उस पानी से निकलता था और पानी जब तक जो गर्म पानी था वो ठंडा हो चुका होता था तो जल्दी से किचन फायर के पास जाके अपने आप को सुखाता था. Now if anyone laughed at him during this performance, Toto's feelings would be hurt. और कोई अगर उसका मजाक उड़ाए तो वो बुरा मान जाता था. एंड ही वुड रिफ्यूज़ टू गो ऑन विद हिज बाथ. और फिर वो अपना जो परफॉर्मेंस अपना जो ही यूज्ड टू टेक बाथ ही वुड स्टॉप डूइंग इट. नाउ वन डे टोटो नियरली सक्सीडेड इन बॉइलिंग हिमसेल्फ अलाइव. और उसकी शैतानियों की वजह से एक दिन ही वॉज अबाउट टू बॉयल हिमसेल्फ अलाइव. A large kitchen kettle had been left on the fire to boil for tea, and Toto, finding himself with nothing better to do, decided to remove the lid. अब एक बहुत बड़ी किचन केटल जो थी, it was kept on fire and water was boiling for tea. And Toto was getting bored, so he decided to remove the lid. उसके ऊपर का जो ढक्कन था उसको हटाया. Now finding the water just warm enough for a bath, he got in with his head sticking out from the open kettle. अब उसको लगा कि शायद ये पानी उसी के लिए गर्म हो रहा है उसके just for him to take a bath. So he just get inside that kettle and with his head sticking out from the open kettle. सिर्फ उसका सिर बाहर था, बाकी पूरी body it was immersed in the hot water. Now this was just fine for a while until the water began to boil. Obviously जब जो water था पहले तो warm था, then slowly gradually it began to boil. Toto then raised himself a little, but finding it cold outside, sat down again. अब वो kettle में से थोड़ा बाहर निकला, लेकिन बाहर ठंड लग रही थी तो वापस वो दोबारा kettle में बैठ गया. He continued hopping up and down for some time. So continuously he was jumping up and down until grandmother arrived and hauled him. Grandma took him out, half boiled, out of the kettle. He was almost half boiled and grandmother came and took him out of the kettle. If there is a part of the brain especially devoted to mischief, that part was largely developed in Toto. जो ब्रेन का जो पार्ट होता है जो कि सिर्फ मिस्चिफ के लिए स्पेशली डिवोटेड होता है वो टोटो में कुछ ज़्यादा ही डेवलप्ड था. ही वॉज ऑलवेज टीयरिंग थिंग्स टू पीसेज. Whenever one of my aunts came near him, he made every effort to get hold of her dress and tear a hole in it. और जब भी मेरी कोई भी आंट उस टोटो के पास जाती थी तो टोटो उनकी ड्रेस ख़राब कर देता था, उसमें होल कर देता था. Now one day at lunch time, a large dish of pulao, it's a rice dish, stood in the center of the dining table. We entered the room to find Toto stuffing himself with rice. अब लंच टाइम में पुलाव बना था तो टोटो वहाँ पहुँच गया and he started eating it up. My grandmother screamed and Toto threw a plate at her. One of my aunts rushed forward and received a glass of water in the face. Now अब इसकी जो मिस्चिफ थी वो बिल्कुल हाइट्स पे थी and he was troubling everyone around there. When grandfather arrived, Toto picked up the dish of pulao and made his exit through a window. और जैसे ही उसने ग्रैंडफादर को देखा, उसने वो डिश जो बर्तन था जिसमें पुलाव रखा हुआ था, he took it in his hand and he just exited from the window. We found him in the branches of the jackfruit tree, the dish still in his arms. और हमें वो बाद में कहाँ मिला, एक जैकफ्रूट ट्री थी गार्डन में, वहाँ पे उसकी ब्रांचेस में ऊपर वो बैठ के आराम से जो पुलाव था वो खा रहा था, और जो यूटेंसिल था, जो डिश थी जिसमें वो था पुलाव, वो उसके हाथ में था. He remained there all afternoon, eating slowly through the rice. और पूरा दोपहर वो वहीं उस ट्री के ऊपर चढ़ा रहा और आराम से एक एक दाना उसने फिनिश किया. And then in order to spite grandmother or to insult grandmother who had screamed at him, he threw the dish down from the tree. और वो जो डिश थी, जो यूटेंसिल था या जो बोन चाइना की डिश ऑब्वियसली जिसमें वो रखा हुआ था राइस, उसने उसको ऊपर से फेंक दिया. एंड चैटर्ड विद डिलाइट व्हेन इट ब्रोक इनटू 100 पीसेस. और उसने बहुत ज़ोर से अपनी जो आवाज़ थी उसकी मंकी की, ही चैटर्ड, और उसने बहुत खुशी अपनी दिखाई जब वो डिश जो है ऊपर से गिर के 100 पीसेस में टूट गई. Obviously, Toto was not the sort of pet we could keep for long. और टोटो इतना शैतान था कि उसको ज़्यादा दिन तक अपने साथ रखना, it was quite impossible. Now, even grandfather realized that we were not well-to-do and could not afford the frequent loss of dishes, clothes, curtains and wallpaper. अब ये जो author है, इसकी family, they were not quite rich, so they couldn't afford कि इतने सारा जो डिशेस हैं, क्लोथ्स हैं, कर्टन्स हैं, वॉलपेपर हैं, उनका रेगुलरली इतना ज़्यादा नुकसान होना वो अफोर्ड नहीं कर पा रहे थे. सो ग्रैंडफादर फाउंड द टोंगा ड्राइवर एंड सोल्ड टोटो बैक टू हिम फॉर ओनली 3 रुपीज़. उन्होंने ख़रीदा उसको 5 रुपीज़ में था, लेकिन उसको वापस टोंगा ड्राइवर को ही बेच दिया सिर्फ 3 रुपीज़ में. सो दिस वॉज द मिस्चीवियस स्टोरी ऑफ टोटो and how he used to trouble everyone around him. So I hope you have enjoyed listening to the story, and now here's your homework. You have to write the summary of this story in about say 100 to 120 words, and you have to write the question answers in your fair notebook and submit your work by tomorrow 5 p.m. Thank you for watching this video.